Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Sonic. Very, very excited, okay? It's going to be simple, easy. It's just going to be Sonic's head right here as one of the expressions that I've drawn. Check out the other tutorials. I have other expressions of Sonic that I go over. So this is excited, all right? Let's get into it. It's going to be real short as well, so stick around to the end. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to actually start with his mouth area. Usually his mouth area is a pretty good way to start. So I'm going to start with kind of the back of the mouth area. I'm going to kind of roll it down underneath just a bit, pull it up, curve over here, and it's going to round out over here. Kind of like it looks like a large, I don't know, like bean of some kind. That's kind of what it looks like to me. Gonna go right here, and I'm gonna find his nose over here in this area. Pull out, in, circle over here for a highlight, and then I'm gonna fill in the rest. That's why I can draw through the form like that. I'm just gonna fill in the rest of it. Maybe make it a little bit thicker. All right. I'm gonna go over here to the mouth right there, and I'm gonna find that, and I'm gonna draw the top part of his mouth. It's gonna be a slanted line over here from the top down. Gonna go over here, and I'm gonna draw the underneath part of the mouth, so it's gonna be kind of like a curve shape. Curve like so. That line didn't go down that good. I like the markers kind of dying a little bit. Gonna go over here and draw the top row of teeth. So I'm gonna go down right here, curve, pull up. Gonna go over here on this side, curve. And so we have his tongue and his teeth, right? Let me draw another line right here for the tongue to really emphasize that's the tongue. Then I'm gonna fill in this right here because that's the back part of his mouth, which won't be getting as much light. So you just wanna like fill that in. Right on. Gonna go over here, find his eye. Usually it's mad, right? It's all the way down, but I'm gonna move it up a little bit, the furrowing of the eye. I'm gonna start over here. This is gonna be the middle of the eye. Up over here. And I'm gonna curve around here. Over here on this side, pulling up. Curving around here. Curve on this side of the head there. Gonna actually keep curving that backward right here for the top of the head. Oops. And then I'm gonna give it a space right here because his ear is gonna come out of here. See it line right there. Go over here. It's gonna go up, down. Don't forget, by the way, if you like learning how to draw Sonic, absolutely hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. We go through all the lessons simple and slow like this. When you see one lesson a day, even if you just see it, even if you don't do, the best part would be doing it with me. But if you can't do it, even just watching it, it kind of makes you better through osmosis. You're going to have art on the mind, and you're kind of working out problems in your mind without even really knowing about it. Line down here for the inner ear. Line down here for this part of the inner ear. Curving up. Let's go back over here in this area. Back. But yeah, because like one of the things that I wanted to do to improve was start watching a lot of stuff. That helps if I couldn't draw it myself or I was too tired to draw. And circle here for the eye. One thing I didn't want to, like, which did happen, was like a year to pass by and I'm like the same and I'm not better in any way, and I don't feel like I'm better, and I don't want that feeling at all. So, and that's kind of why I think there's a lot of value in subscribing to different channels and just watching stuff. Circle over here. So if you find the stuff I do here worth your time, make that part of your repertoire. It's watching the stuff here. Curve, curve, and then I'm gonna fill in right here for dot right there, inner eye right there. Gonna go over here to this side. triangle, over here, triangle. Cool, cool. And then now we just got the back of the head pulling in for that spike. Pulling out. Pulling in. One more time here. Pulling up right there. Right on. So another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a, I'm going to draw a curved line here for the brow area. Curved line here for the brow. And I'm going to draw a thicker line just on the outside. I think that's going to give it a better, just kind of a stronger presence to give it a like thick outline. Let's see. I'll use this marker here. There we go. That's a little better. Just on the outside, okay? Only on the outside. Come on, marker. Marker's kind of dying out. Also, if you want to learn how to draw anything and everything, don't forget to hit, go check out sketchingeasy.com. That's the official website. There's a lot of stuff on there, including other lessons that you might, that I have on there. Go take a look at those. Those are always fun and valuable. And I'm currently really revamping the store, so go take a look at that as well. Oof, all right, that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much for watching. You guys are amazing. Don't forget, you can reach me real easily. If you want a free ebook, check out the description. There's a cute drawing ebook on the description there. Go take a look at that. Pretty much it. Thank you. I'll see you later. And you can always talk to me on here. I reply to every single comment. I love hearing you. Definitely reach out. I strongly recommend it. And thank you so much. Talk to you later.